from Greece, but we've got some heavy rain on the way as well, and in fact, pushing up from the south, bringing very mild air. Temperatures fell no lower than 16 degrees across some southern parts of the UK last night, but bringing lots of cloud along with that mild weather. But even so, temperatures touching 18 in Birmingham this afternoon, a little cooler across the northeast of England underneath those cloudy skies. We'll get some patchy rain coming in here, I think, later on in the day. Across Scotland, well, it's been a beautiful start to the day. The cloud increasing over eastern parts, but across much of the Highlands and Islands, a beautiful afternoon. Fine weather still in Northern Ireland too, and across most of Wales and the southwest. But we'll see one or two breaks in the cloud, allowing some pleasantly warm sunshine to come through. And here as well, temperatures getting up to quite nicely 18 or 19 degrees. That's way above the average for this time of the year. So we push across into the southeast of England, a little more in the way of cloud here, just a few sunny breaks now and again, but always the chance of catching one or two heavy showers as well, popping up as those temperatures touch 20 degrees this afternoon. Now through this evening and overnight, we're going to see lots of clouds spreading back in across the whole of the UK, so a much milder night across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and a pretty wet night for Northern Ireland eventually as that rain spreads in from the west. But as you can see, temperatures 12 to 16 degrees, exceptionally mild for the middle part of October. Bit of a wet start tomorrow, though, across southwest England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Those brighter colours showing us where the heavier rain is going to be. It should edge away from Cornwall fairly quickly, I think. This is 9 o'clock in the morning, but you can see you're going to get pretty wet anywhere really from Bath through central parts of Wales up towards Anglesey, and particularly across Northern Ireland, where that rain really is going to be quite heavy and persistent for a time through the morning. It could be enough to cause some problems with localised flooding. Taking longer, though, to get into Scotland. So here, well, generally a fine start. Quite cloudy, though, with some low cloud and some drizzle across the Grampians in particular. And I think all the way down across northern England, particularly to the east of the Pennines, down through the Midlands, into East Anglia and the southeast. That's where we're going to see a rather grey start to the day, by and large, with some patchy outbreaks of rain and drizzle as well. But again, a very, very mild start. Temperatures in the mid to high teens. The story through the day, though, is for that rain to gradually nudge its way slowly eastwards. It's a slow process, though, so for many eastern parts of England, the northeast of Scotland, probably staying dry until quite late in the day, and some drier weather then begins to move in to the west later on. But again, you can see those temperatures way above average, 17 to 19 degrees. The rain all gets out of the way for Thursday. A lot of dry and bright weather to be enjoyed, and again, it'll be very much on the mild side. And Sophie, it looks like we're going to keep that mild, dry weather going right into the weekend.